In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to fix products not publishing on Gumroad. First, open Gumroad in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you are inside your dashboard, go to the Products section. Now open the product that is not publishing correctly. The first thing you should check is whether all required fields are completed. Make sure your product has a title, description, price, cover image, and uploaded content or files. Missing information can prevent the product from going live. Next, review the pricing settings. Make sure the product price is set correctly and not accidentally left empty or set to 0 unless you intentionally want the product to be free. After that, go to the Settings and Payments section of your account. Make sure your payout information is fully completed and verified, because incomplete payment details can sometimes restrict publishing features. You should also check if your account verification is complete. Unverified accounts may have limited functionality until verification is finished. Next, confirm that the product visibility is set to public and not draft or private. If the product is still not publishing, refresh the page, clear your browser cache, or try another browser or incognito mode. Sometimes browser extensions or cached data can cause publishing issues. Most publishing problems happen because of incomplete product settings, account verification issues, or browser conflicts. Once everything is completed correctly, your product should publish normally. And that's how to fix products not publishing on Gumroad. Thanks for watching and goodbye.